Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial future with TD Ameritrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. Create an account with TD Ameritrade by visiting their website. Select the Open an Account option prominently displayed. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual or joint account. Provide financial information, including your employment status and income. Review the terms and conditions, and agree to them to proceed. Set up your login credentials, including a username and a strong password. Verify your identity through the required security checks, which may involve answering your security questions. Once your account is created, deposit funds to kickstart your investment journey. Connect your bank account for easy transfers by navigating to the funding section. Select the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transfer. Familiarize yourself with the TD Ameritrade trading platform by exploring its features. Take advantage of the educational resources available, such as articles and webinars. Consider using the paper trading feature to practice your strategies without risking real money. Start researching investment options that align with your financial goals. Use the search function to find stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds that interest you. Analyze the data provided, such as price history and market news. Once you're ready, place your first trade by selecting the desired asset. Choose the type of order you want to place, whether it be market or limit. Review your order details and confirm the transaction. Monitor your investments regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Set financial goals and create a diversified portfolio to mitigate risk. Consider periodic rebalancing based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Stay informed about economic trends that may affect your investments. Utilize TD Ameritrade's tools to help strategize for long-term growth. Regularly review your financial plan to ensure it remains aligned with your future goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.